In Greece, go to the islands. Yes, this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna visit an island in Greece. So this is Athens, and we're picking this one, which is quite big, I guess. Its name is Skyros. So this is the name of the island, and it has two parts, I guess, and the center. This is the center. It has a city around here somewhere. I think this is the actual center. And it has an airport. It has some archaeological sites. Every archaeological site in Greece looks like this, some rocks. The airport, a restaurant. Okay, let's start with a restaurant. You arrive at the airport and you are very hungry and you go here. This looks like a burger. This looks like some meat. It could be pork. Salad. Very simple. Greece is a simple place. And the islands are maybe much more simpler than the bigger towns. This looks like something from Budapest, but I think it's another thing here. But it looks the same. It looks like a langos. Okay, so this is a simple restaurant. It has meats. You can eat Greek salad and these burgers. I mean, you can't go wrong. And I saw the house wine. Every time you go in Greece, they are going to serve you this house wine, which is very good because it doesn't have a lot of alcohol and you can drink and feel quite nice. Okay. So this is the airport. We have beaches around here. We have a church in the middle of the island. Okay, now let's see the other part. What can you visit around here? A lot of simple things like the restaurants. I mean, why should you visit this island? I really don't know. Maybe for the beaches? Yeah, sure. It looks peaceful. I think there aren't a lot of tourists here. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't. Who knows? Look, we have a hotel. 376 RON, which is lei because I'm from Romania, and it's around 80 euros maybe. 80 euros a night, and you can sit here. Nice views, but if you have this sort of view, you should hope there isn't a forest fire because you don't have where to go. Okay, a lot of tourist places. Linaria, I think this is a smaller city. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, sure. Okay, this is a big line of tourists. So I take that back. It has a lot of tourists. Okay, let's see what can you eat in Linaria. I'm just gonna look for the best restaurants. This has 4.7 but only 39 reviews. We can do better than that, I hope. If not, I'm gonna go there. Okay, we can't do better than that. 4.7. We have this classical Greek food with the meat on the skewers. Some lemon for the meat. I see a little tzatziki here. Yeah, it looks very good. It looks simple. The simple life in Greece is reflected on their food, and trust me, it is very good. This beer that I never heard of before. This I know, and there is mythos as well. I didn't see it here. Okay, so this is the small town. Now let's go to the big town that has a lot of restaurants. For the big town, I'm gonna look for the restaurants like this in order to find the best ones. And the best ones, 4.5. I don't know what to say about that. 4.6, 22. Okay, where is this? Oh, it's lower. Good mark. Okay, so we have some sort of meat. I really don't know what this is. It could be cow, it could be horse, but I don't think so. I don't think so. This thing again, this langos, but I don't think it's called langos in Greek. Okay, again with the horse, we can see the internal parts. Some sort of Italian dish. This thing I really don't know what it is. Again with the meats. Yeah, I think this is good food, really good food. I don't know why they're putting horses on a restaurant review. I mean, is this horse meat? No, I don't think so. Now let's see the menu. So we have things. Baby goat in lemon. Whoa, baby goat. Nice. Spaghetti grilled. Okay, 10 euros. The prices are decent. Feta cheese 4.5 euros. Roasted feta cheese. Yeah, it's a decent place with decent prices. So yeah, I'm gonna save this. This is my favorite for this island, but I need the urge to find something better in the city. This has a good view, again with the baby goat or something.
C'est joli, hein? Joli. Un morceau, hein?
One more.
Un morceau, hein?
Okay, I don't know what they're saying, but this looks nice. Okay, this is small fish fried. This is calamari rings. Again with the pasta. They have Italian influences, I guess. The seafood looks nice. I don't know what this sauce is. Dessert. This is a Greek salad with some feta cheese or some sort of tzatziki on top and more fried fish. Yes, it's a decent restaurant. Let's see the menu. 7 euros. Very colorful. 0.5. I don't know what I'm reading here, but sure. Okay, enough with this. 4.5. I don't know what to say. It looks good, but I don't think he's heart worthy. Villaggio Italian restaurant, I don't think so. Nostimon Imar. And you have corn. That is fried. It's very good, but it sticks to your teeth, so be careful with fried corn. Barbagiannis Maritza. Okay. This has Italian vibe to it as well. I don't know what is with this fried bread. I didn't see it in Greece. And this is honey. This is some sort of cheese. A burger. Yeah, simple food. Okay, Taverna Margetti. This sounds again Italian. Fried things. This is black eyed peas. A black eyed peas salad, I guess. This is I know what this is. And this is a sort of bean that is mashed. Maybe fava beans or something. Really don't know exactly the name. Okay, you can eat breakfast here. Yeah, it looks very good. It sounds good. It looks good. It should be good. The prices. What is this? Lamb or goat chops. 30 euros a kilogram. Okay, it's a kilo. Pork cattle 8 euros. Veal cattle 12. Decent prices. I mean, fries 4 euros, feta cheese 4 euros, grilled feta. When you go to these restaurants and you are a couple, you shouldn't order too many of these. You see, oh, 4 euros, okay, we're gonna take the potatoes, the feta, the black-eyed beans and all sorts of things, because when you look at all the things that they bring to the table, you will realize you can't eat it all. So you've been warned. Okay, moving to the center of the town. But I think that, okay, 4.5. I wanted to say that this restaurant over here was the best, but we have a 4.5 out of 1,500 reviews. I'm prepared to mark this as good restaurant as well. Okay, so it has pasta. I'm not impressed with pasta in Greece. It has this thing. This thing looks like something I ate in Croatia. It's a burger that has cheese inside of it, and it is very good. This looks like a lentil soup with pasta. Nothing interesting yet, but I think the food is very tasty. This is why people like it. Okay, this thing, I really don't know what it is. Some sort of salad. We have dog on the menu. Look at him, poor boy. Okay, this is weird. Why would you do this? Why would you take a picture like this? Okay, pasta again. A fish with some sauce on it. Oh, no, this is not fish. This is lamb or something. You see the bone. Yeah, this looks very good with the parmigiano, the greens salad. This salad is very good if you get used to it. If not, it tastes weird. But you have to put a lot of lemon on it. And with some beer and some fish, call it a night. Yeah, I'm not impressed with this restaurant. I don't know if I would eat here. Let's see the reviews. I want to see the newest ones. 5 stars, 5 stars, very tasty. 2 stars, quite expensive. Yeah, a lot of 2 and 1 stars reviews about how expensive the restaurants are, but people don't realize that everything is much more expensive this year than the last year. So food 1, overpriced, small portions, more expensive than what he offers. Very small portions. Yeah, but 5 stars, 3. It sounds good, I guess. Okay, so let's do a little bit of freestyling because I was impressed by this restaurant over here, and I think this will be the best restaurant on this island. Blue Cave. Okay, Blue Cave is blue. Nice, nice. You can go with ship here. I don't think you can go by foot to the Blue Cave. I mean, look at this terrain. Kind of weird. Okay, a lot of beach potential, but okay, this is a beach. It has a road. I'm curious, do they have cars on this island? I'm guessing they do. They have roads. Let's see. Okay, no Google car. Maybe on this, no, they don't have, but they have roads, so they surely have cars. Okay, 4.5. Let's see this restaurant, and I'm gonna call it a day with this island. This is breakfast, club sandwich with ketchup. This is not Greece food. This is something you would want to eat regardless of the place you are staying. Yeah, this is a private club or something. It has all you want in one place. You can eat, you can relax at the infinity pool and all that. People having fun. Yeah, sure, I don't care. I don't like it. Okay, so not that place. Maybe something on the island, something over here. Okay, 4.5, 600. Did I see this before? I don't remember. Again, the fish, the lemons. I don't think I saw it. I don't remember this. Again, with the langosh or whatever the name is. Yes, this is typical Greek food. You have the anchovies, you have the salad. I see some seafood with the calamari rings, bread, oil and something else, the house wine. Okay, and this thing that is with minced meat and potatoes. Yeah, this looks good. You can eat here for days and not get tired of this food. Yeah, sure, this is a good restaurant. I'm gonna mark it. Good for them. Okay, this is not a restaurant, this is a place you can... Okay, a restaurant as well. Oh, this is a beach restaurant. I understand. This is the place you eat when you're sunbathing. A lot of beaches over here and restaurants. Ipanema. Okay, we're gonna close with this restaurant. It has 4.7 stars. The food is in Greek style. This is a Greek salad. This is seafood. The potatoes look good. The meat looks good. Everything looks very good. I don't understand pasta and the Greeks, but maybe I don't see the point. Yeah, this is a place where you can eat like a Greek person. Yep, I'm gonna save this as well. Good for them. Let's see the menu. Do they have the menu? No, they don't have the menu, but they have my heart. Yeah, so this is it. This is the island. If you want to eat good, this is the place in the center. This is weird territory. They have a grave of Rupert Brooke. Who is Rupert Brooke? We got to find out. Rupert Brooke grave. But here near the Bay of Triva, alone and Solomon, lies the grave of the famous English war poet Rupert Brooke, 1887-1925, who inspired his country with beautiful sonnets. So this is the grave of Rupert Brooke. Sure, now we know. Yeah, so I think on this island, if you don't like just sitting in the sun and swimming, you will get very bored in 3 days. I mean, really bored. But if you like food, it's the place to go. The food looks very good. It's hard for me to find something I don't like. Maybe for the final thing, I should look for 2-star restaurants, but they don't exist. Maybe 3 stars. 3 stars restaurants. Anybody? No. So yeah, this was it. Thank you guys. Bye. And subscribe if you want to.